Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the era of tech. Uh, Last time we have seen the automation system. What is automation system? We have seen the devices and application. Today we're going to learn it's the advantage and disadvantages and even what uh, elements. So keep watching this video. You will learn more crucial things. So keep watching. Let's start. As you know, everything has the advantage and disadvantages. So we are going to analyze the advantage and the disadvantage of electrical automation system. In the advantages, there is increased efficiency and productivity. Automation system can operate continuously 24/7 without the need for breaks, leading to high productivity, faster and more precise operations reduce the overall production time. It's easy to understand this. The another advantage is that there is improved the quality and the consistency. Automation ensures that each product or process is performed to the same standard every time, reducing human error. Consistent product quality enhance the reputation of manufacturers and satisfies customer expectations. And also there is other advantages like cost savings. How? Although the initial investment can be high, automation system can reduce long-term labor cost and the operational cost, like energy efficiency improvements. Another point, automation reduces waste by optimizing resource use. This is how automation play a role for cost savings. Another advantage is that enhanced safety. Dangerous tasks such as working with high volume or hazardous chemicals can be automated, protecting the workers from potential accidents. It is easy to understand this. Systems can be designed with built-in safety protocols to prevent accidents. This is how automation system enhance safety. Another advantage is that real-time monitoring and control. How? Automation system allow real-time data collection, analysis, and reporting, which help in monitoring performance and making adjustments instantly. Predictive maintenance can be used to foresee breakdowns before they happen. With this part ensure you that the automation system they play a role for real-time monitoring and control. Uh, there is a flexibility and scalability. Once automation system is in place, it can often be adapted and expanded to accommodate different tasks or processes. System can be integrated with other technologies like IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. Sometimes it is called the Internet of Object, I guess, to provide the more advanced functionalities. Uh, Another advantage is that better resource management. Automation system can optimize energy consumption, material use, and labor, contributing to sustainability and the resource efficiency. So I think those those are the advantages of electrical automation system. The disadvantages are high initial cost. The setup cost for electrical automation system can be significant, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Installation, customization, and the ongoing maintenance may add to the total expense. This assures that the electrical automation system initial cost is high. There is a complexity and technical challenges. The designing and implementing an automation system often requires a high level of expertise. System can become complex to manage, especially when integrating various technologies and require skilled personnel for maintenance. Another point is that job displacement. One of the biggest criticism of automation system is that it can lead to the job loss as machines replace human labor, while new jobs in system maintenance and operation are created. The displacement of workers can lead to the social and economic issues. There is also the dependence on technology. Automation systems are vulnerable to breakdown or failures. If the system malfunctions, it can lead to the significant delays or production halts. Cybersecurity risks can also arise if automated systems are not properly protected from external threats. And also the disadvantage of electrical automation system, flexibility limitation is while automation system can be adapted to different processes, they might not be as flexible as human workers when it comes to dealing with the unpredictable or non-routine tasks. Some highly customized or small batch processes may not be easily automated. And that's the maintenance and the upkeep. Automated system require regular maintenance to avoid the unplanned downtime and extend the system's life. I think there is over time technologies may become outdated, requiring costly upgrades and replacements. Another disadvantage is that over-reliance on automation. An over-reliance on automated system may result in a lack of human oversight or intuition, which can sometimes lead to errors or inefficiency that a machine cannot catch. In some cases, human judgment is crucial in addressing complex and unforeseen issues. Uh, I think there's the disadvantage of electrical automation system. So thanks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.